Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Wendy here, independent stop-it demonstrator living in Narberth, Thames. Now that I've got some happy mail, yay! I very kindly got it from my upline, so I'm going to open it now. As you can see, I haven't touched it yet, so I haven't got a clue what's in there. Ugh. Sorry about the packaging, Rachel. Ugh. Oh my word! Could you find a good dinner, good lunch, so I could have the oh wow, oh wow, oh brilliant, oh love you, oh that's sweet, oh lovely, thank you sweetie. Oh, just trying to get that up now. Oh, there's a card as well. Oh, dear Wendy, congratulations on reaching Bronze Elite. Just a little gift to say well done. Love, Rachel. Oh, look, it's a little birdie one that she was talking about. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you. Oh, she's got the catalogues as well. Now, what on earth have you been up to, Rachel? Be careful, because I don't know whether it's got anything that could be cut upable. I like this. My word. Oh, it's parcel time. There's one. Oh, Rachel, I think I can see it. You and my neighbour would do very well in packing, because we're both. Oh wow! Oh, Rachel, you shouldn't have. Oh my darling, that's lovely. Oh, look at this! Isn't it beautiful tin? Oh wow! I've been thinking about getting these, but wasn't quite sure. Wasn't quite sure about them, because I'm not quite sure what to do with them. But what I'll do is I'll get have a look at the video, see how I'm supposed to do them, and then I'll video the video. Does that make sense? I hope it does. And there's another one here. Oh, Rachel, you naughty girl. So we need a sharper pair of scissors as well. Oh. That's one thing the stuff that don't do very well is a packaging. Oh, I don't know what's in here. What's in here? Ah! Sorry. Oh, wow, look at these. Oh, is this one? Soft saying card kit. Oh, wow. My little black ink pad. Look at the stamps. Oh, the stamps gorgeous. I love the flower. Well, you know me, I'm a flowery sort of person. But wowee, I'm going to open this now. I can't get it open. I've never seen this one, so I've got no idea what exactly. Not what exactly, I know we can make cards, but I haven't seen this kit, and that's probably the best way to say it. Stamping Up also do packaging very well. Oh, look at that, you get a block. Most of these kits that come from Stampin' Up, you do have a block. Well, not all of them, some of them you have a block, and an ink pad. Oh, look at these. Oh, I haven't got one of them. On the dimensionals. Oh, wow, these are all different size cards, look. Oh, isn't that tut? Oh, look at it, a little tutty card. Oh, beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at all of these. Thank you, Rachel, thank you. Oh, there's those. Oh, so there's one. There's 2. There's 3. Is this 3 as well, or is this bigger? No, this is the same size, but look at all this stuff you get in the kit. Oh, look at these little tiny cards. Oh, look at that. And the envelopes here then to put them in. Wowee. Ooh. Ooh, I suppose these are stencils. I'm not too sure. Oh, look at them. Oh, Rachel, you naughty girl. Well, these, you see, the cards that come in these kits are usually pre-scored as well. So you don't have to have a bound folder, because what you do with the cards, when you get a card, the blank card like this from Stampin' Up, you've got the groove. Well, what you do is you fold it. There's the lump. So you fold it into the lump, and if you haven't got a bound folder, just make sure that you've got something that'll, or if you've got nails, probably best, run along there. But always remember to do the bumpy bit on the inside. Oops, inside. Wowee, look at these. Oh, these are wonderful, these are. Because you can stamp on them, and then pop them out. So you don't need die cutting machine or anything with these kits. They all come pre-cut, ready for you to design and embellish your own things. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh, woohoo! Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I see. I'm going to be busy today. And then this is what we get. Then they give you a little brochure with pictures on. Oh, this is what I thought was a stencil. They used it like that. And then, oh, wow. Thank you, Rachel. I'm going to be very busy with this, my love. Thanks. Bye.